Hey there, welcome back to the Big Ticket Machine. I'll be touching on part 2, which is called the High Ticket Programs. There will be 3 modules in this section covering on group coaching, one-on-one coaching, and done for you. Let's jump right in with group coaching first. When it comes to group coaching, you're essentially training multiple clients at the same time while using the least amount of time to complete your coaching sessions. Compared to one-on-one coaching prices, your clients are paying at a lower cost instead, and it offers clients from lower-end businesses the affordability to enroll into your coaching sessions. Depending on your own personal expenditure, scaling your coaching price to the right amount allows you to have a lifestyle business where you could sustain your own lifestyle basis at ease. Moreover, with webinar group coaching, all your coaching content can be repurposed into a digital product as long as sufficient product information is provided. With digital product content, it's so much easier to convince customers and consumers alike to purchase your product with ease. There are setbacks as well when it comes to group coaching. There will be times where the consulting sessions may be less impactful as the session is still not personalized compared to one-on-one coaching, as the focus is not always entirely focusing on you. Eventually, less impact in the coaching sessions would lead to lesser fulfillment, as there will always be room for more development in a coaching session, but that conditions are varied among the clients. Even though group coaching offers opportunities for clients to share their business insights among each other and potentially expand into business collaborations, there will be clients out there who may be more conservative with their business details, or multiple clients in a group coaching dealing with similar businesses. When it comes to deciding which platform to use to conduct your very own group coaching, there are various options that you can choose from, but I'll break it down to 5 types of platforms for you to decide. FreeConferenceCall.com offers a free service to meet your meeting or conference call needs. Most of the basic functions are very useful, such as multi-participants and audio recording. For group coaching, it can allow you to have a basic yet easy means of conducting your group coaching sessions. Overall, if you're looking for an easy and affordable way to conduct group coaching sessions, then FreeConferenceCall.com is exactly what you're looking for. Citrix GoToMeeting web conferencing software is one of the platforms you could consider as well. It's a simple and cost-effective platform to connect online with your clients and customers. Best of all, meeting multiple clients can share their webcams in high definition, so you can enjoy more interactions without needing a complicated setup. The most unique feature in GoToMeeting is the ability to switch presenters during the meeting. For example, this allows participants to present their speech with relative ease. Overall, GoToMeeting is a solid product. You can share screens, talk, and video conference without too much difficulty. The only setback with GoToMeeting is that the phone system for conference calls is sometimes fickle. When you call in, there's an automated prompt in which you enter your meeting ID, and this on occasion doesn't register the ID properly or even at all. These instances are few and far between, but the consequences could potentially affect the process of the group coaching. The second platform to consider is Google Hangout, which allows you to host virtual meetings, which increases your group's productivity with coachings that could hold up to 10 people, and it also has powerful tools like screen sharing and Google Docs. It's a genuine effort by Google to integrate all of its messaging products, almost, at one place, with some new cool features like group video chat for up to 10 users. Compared to GoToMeeting, it is mandatory to have Google Plus accounts to use the Hangouts. Also, Hangout is not available on multi-chat clients, unlike Gtalk. A plugin still needs to be downloaded for voice and video messaging to work. If you're looking for platforms for the means to keep track with different groups of sessions, platforms such as Facebook Group or Skype Group are the best platforms to use. With Facebook Group, in addition to a public setting, more privacy settings are available for groups. In secret and closed groups, posts are only visible to group members to ensure any news or announcements are easily reachable at the hands of your clients. In groups, members receive notifications by default when any member posts in the group. Group members can participate in chats, upload photos to shared albums, and even collaborate on group docs. Moreover, groups tend to display a higher degree of personality and even personalization, since they're often created to be personal presences rather than brand presences. Furthermore, making common connections is much easier through a group setting, particularly for businesses searching for contacts. Instead of Facebook, Skype Group is the second best option for group coaching. It's one of the cheapest VoIP services available, and it offers subscriptions with unlimited minutes. Furthermore, it's easy to install and it works with not much configuration. Moreover, users of Skype can enjoy unlimited number of chats and video conferencing when they contact people who are also on Skype. There are 4 main points to put into consideration before you can kickstart your very own group coaching session. Firstly, for each weekly appointment, always give a call to your clients that are involved with the group coaching sessions. This is to ensure each of your clients can accommodate or arrange their date and time with your coaching session. Secondly, as the coach for every group coaching session, always get on call 5 minutes before the conference time. This allows you to have extra time to host your coaching session by inviting your clients to join in the group coaching session. Thirdly, always record every coaching session for your clients that could not attend the session and for all your clients who want to review the sessions again. Always ensure that you've provided the agreement form for every client that's in the coaching session that the conference was recorded for training and development purposes only. Additionally, offering your recordings to your clients provides an added value in your services. Now, on to the last main point. For each take on your clients in the call, just emphasize on these 4 basic steps into your group coaching sessions. A good group coaching session revolves around your clients. Establish a proper atmosphere where your clients feel comfortable sharing their feedback by asking what are their accomplishments in the past week, and always be committed to follow up with your clients' concerns. Do not underestimate the power of following up, as clients are prone to being discouraged to share their inputs if nothing is done about them. As a best practice, ask them in advance what their current challenges are. By creating an agenda, your clients would feel less threatened, as they would know what the purpose of the meeting is. Group coaching is driven by your clients. Therefore, the agenda allows your clients to prepare what they want to discuss with you. Provide the best solutions in less than 10 to 15 minutes that suit the current issues that are being addressed by your client, and move on to your next client, as group coaching sessions are extremely limited depending on the amount of clients present in a session. That's all I'll be covering in this particular module on group coaching, and this is info you need to grasp on group coaching. Let's move on to the one-on-one coaching module, followed by Done for You.